Good morning, children. Today we will learn something new. But before moving to the topic, can you tell me who lives in your family? Mother, father, brother, sister, grandparents. ओके सो जैसे हमारी एक फैमिली होती है वैसे ही वर्ड्स की भी एक फैमिली होती है. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी अ फैमिली ऑफ वर्ड्स. नाउ सी. This is at family. This is at family. Do you want to see who lives in at family? K at cat. K at cat. M at mat. M at mat. Ch at chat. Ch at chat. R at rat. R at rat. F at fat. F at fat. S at sat. S at sat. Okay. Let's revise the at family. This is a honeybee. This is a honeybee. There are flowers. You know what is the name of this honeybee? It's a at honeybee. This at honeybee makes the sound at, at, at. Honeybee make the sound at. This is k flower. This is k flower. It makes sound k, k, k. This is k flower, it makes sound k. This at honeybee goes near the k flower. The honeybee saying k at cat. K at cat. Then this honeybee goes near the r flower. The honeybee starts saying r at rat. R at rat. Then these honeybee going to the h flower. The honeybee starts saying h at hat. H at hat. This honeybee goes near the p flower. The honeybee starts saying p at pat. P at pat. This is my worksheet, ma'am. Match the words with picture. Chat, sat, bat, fat. Complete the at word family sentence. I like the bat. I see a cat. Do you like my new hat? Look at the rat. This is a mat.